Hello, welcome to Pantech Solutions. In this video, we are going to see demo on signature verification using Matlab. First, change the path. Run the main file. GUI demo is the main file. So I'm going to check the database. It has 4 images and 2 classes. So I'm going to delete the database first and click browse. I have 3 classes and have 5 images, approximately 5 to 6 images for each and every class. I'm going to choose the first image and I'm going to add the image to the database. Class 1. So again I'm going to choose the second image. I'm going to add the image to the database, class 1. Now I'm going to add the second class, add image to database, second class. So choose the second image, add image to database, second class. Now I'm going to check the database. Database has 4 images and there are 2 classes. So now I'm going to choose the image which is not in the database and check for recognition. So the recognized class is 1 and status is matched. I'm going to check for the one which is not in the database. Not matched. If you would like to buy the source code or want to modify the source code, you can reach us by clicking the link on the website which is mentioned in the description box. Else you can send a message to the WhatsApp number which is mentioned in the description box. Thank you.